So here we have the latest version of this Peterborough timer. This is the push button start version, so you don't need a battery or anything. Here's one close up. I don't know if you can see this very well. It's about 8mm by 12, and it's a little etched circuit board. Adjustable pot, which gives you time from, well, you can set the time whatever you want to do. This one will do 55 seconds with a 20-second ramp down. At the moment it's just set for a few seconds, and it's not to be too boring, but if you press the little button, the motor runs. And then slowly ramps down and stops. So the main advantage over a capacitor is that you get full power from the LiPo for about 70% of the run, and then a 30-second ramp down or decay period. A capacitor is decaying all the while, so it's a bit harder to set the trim.